Hello, traders. Today we are up nearly $500, which is 1.5%. Yesterday we made over $600, which was over 2%. And today we're going to talk about how I'm making these profits, what I've been seeing the last 2 days specifically, because those have been incredibly profitable days for us, for our trading, and where I expect things to go finishing the rest of the week and moving forward. So the market the past 2 days has had an incredible bull move. Everyone remembers last week, it was kind of it was pretty much a sideways week, maybe down 1 or 2%. So it was a very small pullback, we could call it. Monday and Tuesday so far, these first 2 days of the week, have been a significant bounce, pretty much recovering all of the losses and some. And so those couple of days have been incredibly profitable. We've been outperforming. The market is up 1.21% the last week. We're nearly doubling that at about 2% return. And but with that being said, these last 2 days kind of technically messed up the chart, in my opinion. There is a huge, massive divergence on the RSI. There's pretty much higher highs. We have the S&P 500 at all-time highs, but we have a massive divergence on the RSI. And in my opinion, these last 2 days, we are getting very close to having another down move in the market. It could be another 2% like last week. It could be 10%, or it could be something in between. It could be more. I don't know exactly how much of a move. I would estimate between 2 and 5% possibly. It could go worse than that depending on what causes this, but what I'm saying is, so with that being said, where I think the markets are right now and the amount of profit that we've made in the last 2 days, I've significantly trimmed my positions. I have about 50%, maybe 40% of my portfolio in cash, so I have a significant cash position, and I'm just going to wait for that buying opportunity. I'm still overall invested to the long side. However, I have significant hedge. I have 3 VIX options, and I have some speculative UVXY and SQQQ. So what I'm looking for, if there is a correction, is obviously I'm going to buy the growth technology companies, all of the blue chip 5-star companies, Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, maybe Amazon. I already have a big position in Amazon, Google, stuff like that. These high growth companies. I'm also going to be looking at value and dividends, because that's part of my strategy. I like to stay well diversified. I'm not going to go all in tech, but right now my portfolio is light tech and heavy value, and I want to get that more to an even type of approach. So that's pretty much where we're at, guys. The market's been on fire the last 2 days. It's been really easy profits for anyone who was pretty much long anything, because everything has been going up for the most part. And I've sold a decent amount of positions today. I'm locking in some of that $400 profit. I have plenty of cash. I've nearly deleveraged my portfolio down to 0. So hypothetically, if I wanted to, I could take out $30,000 in leverage if something got oversold, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. And I'm going to take calculated risks. I'm going to know the risks so I don't get screwed over if something happens that I don't expect, and I'm going to just play what I see, and I'll notify you guys whenever I see something exciting. And right now I think the market's really exciting. Looking at the NASDAQ is the same thing. Looking at a yearly chart, we have all-time highs on the NASDAQ, and it's a big candle. So, I think we're getting pretty close to a top. It might not happen tomorrow. It might not happen next week, but we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you have any questions, if you have anything you want me to cover, educational, specific stocks, whatever it might be, I'm willing to give my help. So drop a comment, let me know, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.